In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Framer so you can design cleaner and more professional looking pages. Framer is a powerful tool for interactive design, and text is one of the core elements you'll use. So let's jump straight in. First, open your project and look for the text tool in the toolbar. You can also simply press the T key on your keyboard to activate it. Now, click anywhere on the canvas. If you just click once, Framer will create an auto-resizing text box that grows as you type, which is great when you don't know exactly how much text you'll need. If you want something more structured, click and drag instead. This creates a fixed Wim-Wag text box, which helps control layout and wrapping. Once your text box is on the canvas, you can start styling it. Select the text, and on the right side you will see the Properties panel. Here you can change the font, weight and style. Try choosing a font that matches the tone of your design, something bold for headlines or clean and simple for body text. You can also change the text color. Color isn't just visual, it helps with hierarchy and emotion. But always make sure your text has enough contrast so it stays readable. From the same panel, you can adjust the size to create headings, subheadings, or smaller supporting text. Next, refine the layout using alignment, line height, and letter spacing. Small tweaks here can make a big difference in readability and polish. For example, increasing line height slightly often makes paragraphs feel lighter and easier to read. And that's it. You've added and styled text in Framer. The more you experiment with fonts, spacing, and layout, the more confident you'll get in creating clean, modern designs. Thanks for watching and happy designing.